just got some new organizing bins and I am going to do a refrigerator makeover. I got these at TJ Maxx. You can also get them at like Marshalls or Home Goods or something. I started by peeling off the sticker and then I threw them in to wash them. Gotta be sanitary. And I start with all the alcohol that we have. I just recently, obviously was in a wedding and there was a lot of leftover alcohol, so that's where all this came from. Don't judge me. And then put that to the side, grab a smaller bin and put some Go-Gurts in it. And then also put that to the side, and I have more drinks. This is going to be all the random alcohol we have that we've accumulated. It's not all the same, kind of bugs me, but at least it's all in one bin. Put that to the side and then get started on other drinks like pop and stuff. And then, of course, after that, I will set that to the side and get started on putting these Danimals in a tub. They were in a bigger tub, but we've used a lot of them, so I condensed it. And then I start by placing everything in the spots that I want it to go. These are great for stacking and also creates a lot more room. And this is the final look.
All right, this is the organization this week. I finally did it. Took me all day to wash and prep, but I'm glad I got this done. I put the spinner on the top shelf so you guys could see that if that's something you would want to do if you don't have enough space on your side doors. But I got all the goodies: asparagus, peppers, grapes, blackberries, blueberries, cheeses, soups. And then I got the rotisserie chicken salads at Sam's, and I got the broccoli salad is in here, and the stuffed peppers are in here, and the shredded cheese. And then I'll show you the pull-out drawer. We've got the peppers in here. We have zucchini. We have string cheese, and carrots are back there. And then we have turkey and cheese in the deli keepers. It looks so pretty. So yeah, I'm excited. Finally got it done. I hope you guys did too.
So I've been seeing a lot of fridge organizing videos, and I felt like God was telling me, yo, your fridge is disgusting. You need to get it together. So I decided to become an adult finally and buy me some storage organizer container thingies for my fridge. I chopped, washed all of the veggies, all of the fruits, produce. You already know it took me forever, but look. Don't it look delicious? Don't it look beautiful? Beautiful. I feel accomplished. I feel grown. I feel like my fridge could be in one of those Target ads.
What better way to start out 2021 than organizing? I'm starting with my fridge and showing you how to do it. First, I'm starting by removing everything. Then I take inventory of what I have, get rid of expired foods, then wipe down those shelves to make sure it's rid of all of the gunk. I had a helper today. And then I go in and start organizing and setting up how I want it to look. My fridge doesn't have much storage, so I'm stacking shoe containers for my meats and cheeses, and these glass bottles are for my key IKEA for my filtered water. Another tip to staying healthy in the new year is prepping your fruits and veggies. I store mine in these glass containers from IKEA. They're not only aesthetically pleasing, but easy to grab when you're hungry. I'm really happy with how this space turned out. It's not only functional for our little family of 3, but it is really pretty to look at. And I did add labels from the container store to bring it all together. If you want to see the full fridge organization video, you can definitely check out my YouTube channel. It's linked in my bio, and don't forget to like for more.